In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide the menu bar on Mac. So here on the top side, you see this is a menu bar, right? There are a lot of items are there right side and some menus are there. I'm going to hide it because it will give me some extra space. So how to make it hidden? So let's see how we can do this thing. To do this thing, at first we need to click the Apple menu. It will be expanded, and from here we have to choose system settings. I'm going to click here so that system settings window will be opened. From here we have to come to the left side. There are different menus or items are there, so we have to choose this item which is control center from all these menu options. I'm going to click here so that control center items will be selected, and right side we will see different options are there. Our goal was to hide the entire menu bar, right? So we need to scroll almost at the end, and almost at the end you will find there are two lines are there. But our goal is this one: automatically hide and show the menu bar, and there is a small drop down like window is there. If we click here, it will bring this option: always on desktop only, in full screen only, and never. If we want to hide this entire time, like always, this menu bar, then we have to choose always, and now you will see the menu bar is gone. It's not gone basically. I'll show you how to check it, and then we can close it. So what will happen? Right now there is no menu bar, right? So if you want to access the menu bar, how we can do this thing? So you just need to move your cursor almost at the end edge of this border of your Mac, and this item like this menu bar will be visible again. And if you move your cursor again from there, it will be hidden. So if you move again, it will be enabled. And that's it. In this way we can easily hide the menu bar on Mac so that we can get a bigger screen. And that's it. In this way we can easily hide the menu bar. And if you want to unhide that again permanently, then you can actually do the same way from the Apple menu system settings, and you can enable you can change that settings.